Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Greg. I'm going to go over Bitcoin for the time being and maybe discuss altcoins a little bit. Welcome to my channel, by the way. I have the Discord link, August 1st. There's that deal I posted on Twitter. I told you guys it'll be up for like a week or two. If you want to join me, come on in there. Be really, really appreciated. And now I am going to go over Bitcoin. I will have a link in the YouTube description too for that, guys. Okay. So I'm going to go over the daily chart on Bitcoin first here, guys. All right. It's getting into the zone. So there's a few key things right here for Bitcoin, guys. So bounced off that fair value gap. This is on the daily chart. And you got a lot of support over there. You got some downward support you could put in there. Some people probably have a descending wedge, which does look like that it is. And those usually bust bullish. Descent, like over here, descending wedge busted bullish. No downside targets on the daily, guys. I'm still looking for this 28.5, 28.2, 28.3 in this area. I've already started to DCA in a little bit. And as it drops more, I'm going to get more and more aggressive because at a minimum, it's coming down to a downtrend. At a minimum, you're going to have an uptrend. That does have on the daily high-end targets here, 30,900, 31.7, and up to, what is that number? 32.2, okay? And let me go to an 8-hour chart. 8-hour chart has fib targets, guys. It's a little bit more bearish than a daily, but it looks like 28.5. And then there's these targets down here, 21 and 27.6 is a potential into that area, guys. So for a reversal zone, there's actually from this peak to this peak right here, or this drop from the this wave on the 24th to here, there is bullish divergence. I think it's on the 4 and 8 hour, but it's not. So it's not super, super strong, but that looks good. Bitcoin in the triangle. Here that I put on, let me put a triangle for you guys right here like this. Boom. Okay. Now I know the argument is going to be from this peak to this peak, there is bearish divergence. However, I go off the weekly algos, which are the dominant algos, saying this is going to be still trending up. This algo, okay, guys, this algo has gotten a lot weaker. Okay. This algo is lowered down substantially from, I think, about 30 at the 36 area, just to let you guys know. So this algo has been lowered 3,000 points or 3,000 from 36 to 33 on the algo, guys. So just to let you know, it does adjust. As it goes down, it's going to adjust. But once it does a reversal and it starts going up, this will adjust again. So algos adjust. So here it is in the triangle, guys. I was telling you guys this, I don't know, weird looking triangle area. And the spots on that one is like 28.6, 28.3, and it has lower fib targets on the daily. Right in this area is a 40 period moving average. It's going up just like that. And it has targets there 28 flat and all the way down to 26.9 or 27 flat, basically. Okay. Soon be aware of the downside targets in that area. All right, guys. And then this could break up. And if it gets up and over that, it could break up to like 32, 34, probably pretty easy if it does that. No guarantees, guys. No guarantees right there. So let me go back to the weekly. And here it is on the weekly. There's a weekly fair value gap that it bounced off of. And there is the 21 period moving average. So I'm expecting some acceleration probably within the week, guys. Doesn't appear that it's going to be a massive acceleration, but it could be. You know, sometimes it can be difficult to suss out the algos. A little bit of acceleration there, down, acceleration all the way in through correction, maybe all the way into early October. Acceleration there a little bit, flattens out, but as acceleration in this area for sure, in that area, guys. Okay, let me see here. Okay, acceleration right there. You can see on that candle, acceleration there. Here's the correction, okay, right in this area for that candle, and then acceleration up to that spot right there, guys. So on this one, I would expect this one to come down a little bit more for sure. in the stochastics, more than likely, probably down to the 20-30 area at least. So I'm expecting a little bit more downside, guys, potentially, but you just never know. This thing could roll on out of here any moment. So yeah, I would say 28.5 is definitely a sweet spot on this. Okay, guys. All right. So like I said earlier in the video, link on my Twitters for the Discord will be in the description if you want to come check it out with me and get ready for the rest of the rides on Bitcoin. I'm going to briefly go over the altcoins, guys. I know I'm following some of you guys on, or not. You're following me on Twitter and things like that. I'm gonna try to reiterate this as much as I can, and you'll get more details in the Discord. Probably, I'm going to be right in my analysis of what's going on, and I go in more depth in my Discord in that. But you want to be careful of a lot of these altcoins, guys. Okay, you want to be careful of a lot of these altcoins. I know you're going to be told these are generational lows and they're going to go up. I'll just say this: if you're not in the Discord with me, or you're not really following me, you just landed here briefly and you're checking it out, wondering what's going on, why does this guy have this stuff all over his chart, probably doesn't know what he's doing, et cetera, et cetera. If it was bullish, if those altcoins were becoming very, very bullish, in November, June of 22, I was bullish on Matic, Ethereum, Binance, Quant Crypto, and we made money from June to, I think, September. What was that? June of 22 to September 22. And then going into November, I said, God, candles were coming on all those other assets, guys. Now, if it was there, I would be telling you, man, it's not. It's just watch the bounce. When Bitcoin goes up into these next couple waves, potentially that it has over the next, probably, let's say into September, late September, and there's going to be probably another correction and then maybe another meager run up on Bitcoin going into maybe December, possibly even in January. It looks like I'll go into a topping process according to the algos right here, guys, on the weekly into this area. Okay, that's all the way out into February, more than likely, into that area. Similar to the traditional financial markets, the NASDAQ and the S&P. Watch the meager bounces on some of these altcoins, guys, okay? If they were bullish, they would rip. Think about this too, guys. In November 22, they ripped. They ripped hard. Now they're getting weaker, guys. They're getting weaker. Less rips, less bounces, weaker bounce, weaker bounce, weaker bounce. That's not a signal for it going bullish, guys, okay? Not with this continuing to go on. So just be careful. Like I said, I'm going to go in more details. If you have more questions about that in my Discord, and there's some things that obviously in Discord, I'm going to let my members know that the public is not going to know about. If you made it all the way to the end, do me a huge favor, drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.